friends, they're like not able to find internships and they're struggling and they're working in like any and anything just to build that database.
But I think this will change the status quo.
It will give a break also from the transition between a college and a job.
And it will give a guarantee that we have a back holding and the government is backing us.
It will provide more opportunities after the internships.
अपने देश को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये एक्सपोजर हमें PM इंटर्नशिप स्कीम ज़रूर देगी.
I would love to talk with him about animals and I would love to meet Jyoti.
मीटिंग करवाते रहो मीटिंग.
उनकी स्किन कितनी अच्छी है. I want to know about his skin care.
शुरू मजबूरी में किया था लेकिन अब तो मज़ा आ रहा है.
लेवल सबके निकलेंगे पर निकलेंगे उसके जो घर रहेगा और अलग रहेगा. Welcome to Fridays at MyGov.
आइए जानते हैं स्टूडेंट से ही PM इंटर्नशिप स्कीम हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू बेनिफिट देम. PM इंटर्नशिप स्कीम उनको क्या लगता है उनके करियर और सोसाइटी में क्या रियल चेंज लाएगा.
I have seen a lot of my friends, they're like not able to find internships and they're struggling and they're working in like any and anything just to build that database. So I think the PM internship scheme will really help them to build a good CV, which will help them yield better jobs and be more efficient with their work.
Will be very inspired with this. They will really get opportunities with that and it will be so fun.
It will give opportunities for the new interns to put themselves into the job market.
For me, I think this internship is it develops a person's holistic development, and I think it's a like hands-on experience the students get or the people get, kind of exposure they get. It's a vast, wide.
I think it would bridge the gap between education and real life experiences to youth, especially the freshers from colleges and other fields. So it's a great initiative.
Government is providing, so it will be good for CV. It will provide more opportunities after the internship.
अपने देश को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये एक्सपोजर हमें PM इंटर्नशिप स्कीम ज़रूर देगी.
इंटर्नशिप स्कीम 5 साल की है. 5 साल बाद 2029 में आपको क्या लगता है कि जॉब मार्केट किस तरह चेंज?
जहाँ से मैं आती हूँ वहाँ पे बहुत स्टीरियोटाइपिकल कल्चरल चॉइसेस हैं कि आपको ये प्रोफेशन करना है तभी आप रिस्पेक्टेबल माने जाओगे. बट आई थिंक दिस विल चेंज द स्टेटस क्वो.
I feel like the amount of skilled labor in our economy would increase a lot, which is a really nice thing. To every college student, to everyone that wants a job, and especially all those who are preparing for government exams like bank, UPSC and all that stuff. So it will give a break also from the transition between a college and a job. So I think it's a great opportunity.
It would be as a revolution, I think so. Education system is like वेरी गुड बट एम्प्लॉयमेंट पर नज़र मतलब उस पर काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो ये एम्प्लॉयमेंट के पर्सपेक्टिव से बहुत सही रहेगा. स्ट्राइविंग टुवर्ड्स इन 2047 ओनली विकसित भारत, आत्मनिर्भर भारत, सेल्फ रिलायंट इंडिया. And with these initiatives and motives in our mind, I think that is where the youth is going forward. And internship opportunity like this, like 5 years, is a very long term. A guarantee that we have a back holding and the government is backing us. Women empowerment as well as all gender equity that is taking place in the society now. Ensure that it will secure job security, employment opportunities for the youth.
This initiative taken by Prime Minister Modi is the first of its kind. What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's really great and I'd like to thank the Prime Minister for that because I think I speak for all new students here when I say that it's really a very great opportunity.
I think it's a very good opportunity for everyone. It will motivate them to learn something new. It will guide them. It will give them a new experience. It will help them make networks. And networking again in today's world is very important because we are a globalized country. We need to network with people ताकि हम कुछ नया सीखें, नया develop करें, innovative ideas लाएं, innovative inputs लाएं for the country and for the sector we are working for.
That is really brilliantly good because that is what we require as a nation, with having the most population, with having most resources, and we are pulling great out of it. We are pulling everything best out of it, especially from the youth, because youth have so much energy, especially energy. We can skill them according to their talent, but putting into effort, giving opportunities, it is what something which is really required.
पहले के टाइम ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेज वगैरह से, डिग्रीज वगैरह से जॉब्स मिल जाती थी, अभी भी मिलती हैं, बट आई थिंक करंटली जैसे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग, स्किल बेस्ड ज़्यादा वर्कफोर्स है. सो इट इज़ ग्रेट कि इस इनिशिएटिव या इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छी स्कीम है क्योंकि हमारे पीएम मोदी का एक विजन है विकसित भारत 2047 का। आई थिंक इट वुड रियली हेल्प टुवर्ड्स दैट।
हमने खेला इन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ एक रैपिड फायर राउंड भी। हाई प्रोफाइल प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करने का मौका मिला तो कौन से प्रोजेक्ट?
विकसित भारत 2047.
I would choose that of education related. Swachh Bharat, Ministry of External Affairs, because I'm very interested in the external affairs.
It would be either Nirbhaya Fund or One Stop Center scheme जो women's rights पे काम करता है।
If you could meet Prime Minister Modi during an internship, what is that one question that you're going to ask?
If we see Prime Minister Modi ji even at this age, इतना swag maintain करती है that they say I want to know what is the magic that Modi ji is maintaining.
अंदर की बात है, बाहर मत बताना।
उनकी स्किन कितनी अच्छी है. I want to know about his skincare.
I would request him if I could sit with him in his garden, in his lawn, and I would love to talk with him about animals, and I would love to meet Deep Jyoti. क्या आपके बारे में जैसे ये रूमर्स फैलते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, ये आपको कैसे अफेक्ट करते हैं?
प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी ने जेनजी लिंगो कैसी सी?
थोड़ी सी वाइब भी तो चेक हो जाए।
उनकी वाइब किसके साथ मैच होती है? डेफिनेट।
Ask him what was the name of his stall, tea stall.
Your internship was a series and it was supposed to release on an OTT. What do you think is going to be the title for it?
The Intern Diaries. Interns, the ultimate multitaskers. Mission Internship or Mission Intern Possible.
अब ये क्या हो गया?
भी चिल कर लो भाई. The Intern Chronicles.
Keeping up with an intern.
समस्या से समाधान तक.
देसी हसल.
The road that is taken by all.
अगर अपनी इंटर्नशिप को एक मीम में सम अप करना पड़े तो कौन सा मीम सबसे ज्यादा रिलेटेबल है?
Expectation versus reality.
1 second मैम सोचना पड़ेगा।
देख रहा है विनोद।
लग रहा है विनोद।
Everything is fine with everything is on fire.
शुरू मजबूरी में किया था लेकिन अब तो मजा आ रहा है। मीटिंग करवाते रहो मीटिंग।
इंटर्नशिप करना अच्छी बात है, पर इंटर्नशिप कर करके घिस जाना ये तो सही नहीं है. गुड मॉर्निंग पाइनएप्पल, यू लुक वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. लेवल सबके निकलेंगे, पर निकलेंगे उसके जो घर रहेगा और अलग रहेगा. आई एम फाइन.
इंटर्नशिप के टाइम में एक कोई सुपर पावर अगर आपके पास हो तो क्या हो?
Teleportation,
quick knowledge absorption,
time stopping,
Mind controlling.
I think multitask.
I would love to break the language barriers.
Maybe to jump beyond the plane of time and space.
Feel like I would love to read minds. I think I would like to have the ability to fly. It will help me to avoid Delhi traffic.
PM इंटर्नशिप स्कीम के बेनिफिट्स आप सुन चुके हैं। इस इंटर्नशिप स्कीम के अंडर आपको सिर्फ टॉप कंपनीज के साथ इंटर्नशिप करने का मौका ही नहीं मिलेगा, उसके साथ साथ मिलेगा 5,000 रुपए का स्टाइपेंड, 6,000 रुपए का वन टाइम ग्रांट फॉर इंसिडेंटल्स और साथ ही साथ योर इंश्योरेंस अंडर वेरियस PM स्कीम। तो वेट किस चीज का है गाइस? You can register yourself at pminternship.mca.gov.in. Go register yourself under various categories and get a chance to work with the top companies. जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ, देखते रहिए Fridays at MyGov.